So hello everyone, I'm Vani Verma and I'm a part of Future Autotech. So today I would like to showcase you our 12-meter electric bus. So we have our plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Please come. So this is our bus front. Let me showcase you the interior of our bus. So here, as you can see, these are the staircases for easy accessibility of the passengers. This is the conductor's seat. This is the dashboard in front. We're having CCTV at the front and some at the back. This is the steering wheel, driver's seat and the gate. And we're also providing a first aid kit. So one thing special about this bus is we had reserved some seats for the elderlies. One over here, as you can see the sign. Another one over there. So let me tell you about the capacity of this bus. There are in total 20-seater and 20 sleeper and 22-seater. So as you can see, there are lights in the hallway for the easy movement of the passengers during the night travel. We have ample storage space for the shoe rack, and this is the upper berth. Easily can fit 2 to 3 people, including kids. So this is the seat. So as we talk about the security of the bus, we had provided a hammer at each of the seats. So in case of emergency, they can brake at once. So let me tell you about other facilities provided in case of emergency. There are 2 emergency doors, one at the front, one at the back. We're also providing fire extinguisher, which is at the back, and an emergency gate at the last. About the storage space, we are also providing 3 boxes of storage space at the end. Let me show it to you. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the emergency exit in case of emergency. So let me showcase you the exterior of this bus. So we're having 2 units of storage over here. So about the technicalities, in total it is having 6.5 cubic meter of storage space, and there is no division at between, so you can access the storage from the other side also. And let me tell you about the technicalities. So there are 12 battery packs in total, some at the front, some at the back, and some at the other side of the bus. So in these 12 battery packs, they generate in total of 423 kilowatt per hour of electricity. And about the other specification, the bus can run up to 350 kilometer in one go. The charging time is 1 hour 40 minutes. Amazing. So if your route is under 500 kilometer, you can easily take a pit stop at a restaurant till the time your passengers eating lunch or dinner. The bus can charge itself for 30 to 40 minutes. It can give you 200 to 300 extra kilometers. So you can reach your destination without any tension, without any hassle. So that's all from my side. I'm Vani Verma signing off. Please visit our plant at Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And the future is electric. So here we are. Thank you.